Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here on time. Today meeting focus on strategy and tool need to improve productivity. Our team have faced several challenges recently, and it is important we address them properly. So let us begin with our employee representative who will brief us on the employee problem that have been facing.
Thank you, Chairperson. Based on the feedback, the employees are facing several problems that slow down the productivity, such as time is not managed properly, tasks are unclear, causing confusion, miscommunication happens often, some employees repeat the same tasks, and deadlines are often not tracked properly.
Did you finish the client proposal?
I thought you were doing it. I already spent the whole morning preparing it.
If that's the case, why wasn't this discussed earlier? We could have avoided repeating tasks.
Exactly. We need a clearer communication.
Thank you. The program clearly outlined. Now, let's hear from our team leader regarding potential strategy to address this challenge.
Thank you, Chairperson. After listening to our employee representative regarding the issues, I would like to propose some strategy to improve productivity. First of all, I believe setting a clear and daily weekly priorities for every team member is important. This is because if each employee knows exactly what they need to focus on, any misunderstanding and repetitive work can be avoided.
So can you give an example of how the weekly meeting is conducted effectively?
Thank you for asking. This can be done by conducting a short weekly meeting to check on employee progress and identify their problem earlier. Moving on, I also believe that promoting an open communication among the team member is also important. Everyone should feel comfortable in asking questions and clarifying any instruction to avoid any misunderstanding. Lastly, I also believe that we should give any recognition to employee for their good performance. After all, any recognition and appreciation shown can boost the employee motivation and encouragement in the workplace. So I believe if we apply this strategy consistently, we can improve the employee productivity and reduce the confusion in the workplace.
I agree, especially on fostering open communication. It directly influences team morale and cooperation. Okay, so from the HR perspective, we need to support employees with proper training and also motivation. So I propose that we do a time management workshop so that employees can learn to plan better. This is because teamwork training is used to reduce miscommunication in the workplace. I also propose that we do a reward system for monthly or quarterly employees to appreciate their hard work. By giving them a feedback survey, we can understand their stress level and support what they need. This is because when employees feel valued and supported, productivity naturally improves.
Next, we will move to the technological aspect. Project manager, please present the two recommended to support strategy this discussion.
Thank you, Chairperson. Based on the issue represented and the strategy purpose, I believe we need the right strategy tool to support this effort. First, I suggest we implement Asana as our main platform for task management. It allows clear visibility of tasks and responsibility for every team member. And it also gives real-time updates on progress and deadline, which is help us to monitor project progress through visual features like Gantt chart or timeline. So next, to get a consistent and structured communication, I recommend adoption of Microsoft Teams. This application to use to separate communication into clear channel, which is such as HR, IT, or marketing. With this team, we can keep files, messages, and update in a single organized platform. So, this aligns with our strategy to reduce miscommunication through transparent and structured discussion. And for the last, for the documentation, I suggest we use Google Workspace. This Google Workspace provide a real collaboration in Google Doc, Sheet, and Slide. As this file will be secure stored in Google Drive, all team members can open or do tasks even with at different place. As a result, with using Google Workspace, we can prevent data loss and enhance team collaboration. Okay, before we go to summarize, does anyone have any question of concern?
How we handle changing deadline in system?
Asana has real-time update features. If deadline changes, everyone on the team get instant notification. This ensures everyone stay aligned without delay.
So to summarize the meeting, first, a productivity workshop will be held next week. Next, Trello and Slack will be introduced for daily use. And number 3, weekly check-in meeting will happen every Monday morning. Number 4, HR will develop a reward and recognition program. Last, progress will be evaluated after 1 month. This action plan aims to increase productivity and improve coordination among all members. In conclusion, I will document all key decisions made today, including strategy, training plans, and digital tool. The meeting minute and action plan will be circulated to all departments by tomorrow.
Thank you everyone for your contribution. We have identified major problem, discussed the strategy, and chosen suitable tool for this better productivity. So, good job everyone.
So, when will the training be provided for this tool?
I suggest we held training either week 1 or week 2 of December.
Excuse me, we have 10 minutes left for this meeting. Please proceed with the vote.
So we will proceed with voting on week 1 or week 2 of December. Who choose week 1? For week 2? Okay, we proceed with the majority. The training will be held on week 2 of December.
So I will inform your specific task after I discuss with chairperson. Lastly, our next meeting will schedule next Monday. And thank you. See you next week.